and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we will see how to raise a support request in case you face any difficulties or have queries regarding app building in Clappia. Once you log in, click on the app that you need support with. Let's say I click on this app, then go to the Design app and click on Request Tech Support. Do note, this is only for app admins, basically those who are creating the apps, and not for end users. If end users are facing difficulties if the app is not working as it should be, then the app admins can raise requests on their behalf. A form will appear once you click on the Request Tech Support button. Select the correct option that you need help with and explain the issue in detail. This will help us to know your exact issue so that based on the type of request, our solutions and support team will assign the right team to help you. You can attach screenshots or recordings here. This is advisable so that we get a clear understanding and help you quicker. Then click on the acknowledgement and click on Submit Request. Now our solutions and support team do not actually have access to your apps. Therefore, once you submit a request, we will gain temporary access to your app. Our support ID will be automatically added to your workplace and we will have app admin access to your app. What this means is, in workplace settings on the left panel, the support ID is added here, which is support@clappia.com. And in your app, we will be able to make changes to your app by going to Design app and making some configuration changes based on your request. It could either be the design of the app, some configurations, the workflows, charts. It depends on your requirements. Now, if you have made submissions in your app and have sensitive information here in the Submissions tab or do not want the data to be accessed by our support team, then you can create a clone of your app in question and raise a request for that app. By doing so, we will only see the design and configurations of the app, but no data. To create a clone of your app, go to Design app, then click on Configuration and click on Clone App. On the right panel, give a name to the cloned app, let's say this name, then select your workplace. If you're a part of multiple workplaces, select the workplace where we will get access to. Now over here we have Clone Master app. If your app is interlinked with other apps in your Clappia workplace, then you will need to enable this option. For example, for this app, Raise Requests, if I go to the Design app, over here you can see it uses the Get Data block, which fetches information from a software license tracker app in my workplace. So let me just open that app quickly. It is this app over here. Now whatever submissions are there in this app, that will be pulled into this Requests app. In such cases, when you're cloning the app, enable this option. Next, if you have workflows configured for your app, you can enable it. And if you need help with PDFs, enable Clone Print settings. Then click on Import. Once it is cloned, you will get a success message. You can either view or customize your app over here, or you can visit the dashboard. You can see the Request app has been cloned, as well as the Master app, which is the software license tracker app, which is a clone of this app. Now, if I were to click on this app, go to the Design app, and for this app, you can request the tech support. If you have master apps, link to the app that you need help with, and if you have cloned it, then you will need to give us access to that app as well. So just click on that master app, and in the same way, go to Design app and click on Request Tech Support. Now in this cloned version of the Request app, if I go to the Submissions tab, you can see there are no submissions. Now once we have made all the changes in your app, you will receive an email confirmation regarding it. If it is for cloned apps, you can check out the changes made there and implement it in your main apps. Once the issue is resolved, you will need to remove our access to your apps. You can go to Workplace Settings, then click on Clappia Support, and on the right panel, at the top, click on Remove User. Then type in Remove User in this blank space provided, all in lowercase. Then click on Remove. Our access will then be removed from the workplace. If you do not manually remove the support ID access, then our access will anyway expire and be removed automatically after 7 days to ensure security. You can also get support through chat by clicking over here. Click on Send us a message and you will receive a response shortly. You can also view your previous chat history by clicking on Messages. You can use the chat for any query you might have, but it would be better to use the Support Request button for faster app resolution. We also have an extensive help guide to help you build your apps. On the main Clappia website, click on Resources and click on Help Guide. You can also check out our YouTube channel's videos if you want to explore in detail. So don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are happy to assist you in taking your apps forward. Thanks for watching.